So go ahead and take one of these candy jars, and I'm gonna take the sticker out. It's pretty simple. Two comes out, and I'm gonna take the lid out as well. And I'm gonna take some flowers, and I'm going to place a few flowers inside. Like I'm gonna put a on the other side, one on each side, and then I'm gonna take this little like long little branch. I'm just gonna fold it. You don't have to do this step, but I think it should come out cute. And then I'm gonna put another flower in the middle like that, and then I'm going to put a light, a fairy light. I'm just gonna go ahead and place it inside, and then just place inside. The light is optional. You don't have to put it if you don't want to. Then I'm gonna take my hot glue gun, and I'm going to put some hot glue all around the jars, and I'm going to take the lid and attach it into place. Then I took one of these glass, and I'm going to use this candle holder. I'm going to spray paint it in gold. You can leave it as that if you don't want to. And then I'm going to place a little branch all around it. So I'm going to take my hot glue and put it on the side and attach it in there just like that. Then after I attach it, put a little bit of flowers. This is optional as well if you want to or if you don't. Then I'm going to take my hot glue and put hot glue all over around it and attach it to the glass, and take my candle and place it inside, and then go ahead and place it on top. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. Something so simple that you guys can do at home, and it's so inexpensive as well. I think this will look great on a table decorations, like a few of them lined up like that. You could also put water inside. You could do different colors. Like there's so many ideas, so many things that you guys can do with this thing. I think it came out so cute, and it's so simple to do. So for the next DIY, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the same jars, and I'm just gonna place a floral foam on top. So just go ahead and attach it with hot glue, and then I'm gonna take some toothpick, and I'm gonna place it inside. And this is optional, but this is a better way to hold your flowers. And then you're gonna place your flower inside. Pretty simple. If you wanted to attach better, just put a little bit of hot glue and then attach the flowers for better attachment, if you guys want better attachment as well. Then after that, this is how beautiful it turns out. This is so simple and elegant. I think this one as well will look so beautiful on your party decorations, or it could be like a home decor. I also think it could be a little gift if you want to. So for the next idea, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my glass, and I'm gonna put some hot glue and place it on top just like that. Here you can put some rocks at the bottom of the jar, so if you want to make it heavier, so for better weight and attachment. And then after that, I'm gonna take my candle holder, and for you guys to attach the candle better, I suggest for you guys to put a little bit of hot glue at the bottom of the candle and then attach it into place. And this one will make your candle like not fall apart. And then go ahead and place it inside just like that. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. This one is, if you want a taller version of the centerpiece, it came out beautifully. You don't even have to do a long candle. You could do a regular candle as well. I think this one, in any color that you will do, I think it will look beautiful. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Let's not forget to comment down below what you guys think of this DIY.